Hey guys, White Mustang here. Here we have a fleet charger. It's a 6 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt battery charger. It's the more superior one out of the three, costing around $500 at least. It's just been sitting on the shelf for years and years, collecting up dust.
It's too powerful for us to use, so we keep what little we find hidden in our minds.
Yeah, deep down where no one's gonna find it.
Well, I hope you're right, Squinch.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this one up.
Just as I suspected. Hollow!
We're gonna check the diodes inside the charger by touching the ends, black to red and red to black. You should get 0.3 to 0.5 of a voltage drop. If so, it should be all good. Well, at least the ones that are still connected to the fusible links. Okay, so I have like 2 busted fusible links on this side, and I'm gonna check any diodes that were connected to the fusible links. And I'm just checking one of the diodes here. Right now the rectifier plate looks pretty salvageable. We got fusible links that are still intact. The timer has a problem. When the timer is off, there is no continuity, so that's normal. But when I turn it on, it has direct continuity to ground. That explains why the circuit breaker tripped. Check out these new parts that came in the mail. Out with the old, in with the new. This one's a retrofit timer, a 120-minute timer able to be swapped with a 90-minute timer. Using some wire nuts, we routed the wires according to the instructions. Changing the old ammeter out. Back to the bridge rectifier, I'm going to reuse this fusible link. Make sure the diodes are facing the right way. If you have 2 or 3 diodes that are fucked up, that's okay. Also got these in the mail from Amplified Parts. test my mess on the floor. Okay, let's plug it in. Well, almost got it running. There was a problem with the switch too, so I took it apart and fixed that also.
No! My fleet is being destroyed!
Let's turn it on. See what happens. So far so good. Timer is on. I'm gonna switch it to 6 volts. 12 volts. So far so good.
I hope so. You must be good for something.
Let's test for voltage. And we're gonna set it at 6 volts and see what kind of output we're getting. It's giving out about 12 volts. That's a bit high. Let's try 12 volt low. Twelve volt low isn't too bad. 13.8. 12 volt high. It's giving out 16.70. What about 12 volt start? 12 volt start. 24 volts. 24 volts. Now it's time to put it back together. Drained my battery a bit by putting the headlights on for about half an hour, and I got my battery charger, associated battery charger. It's a fleet charger, and we're going to put it on 12 high and turn it on and see what happens. 60 amps right there, 12 high, 60 amps. And just for some extra information, I tested the voltage on this perfectly working battery charger, and it is a bit high, but that's okay because under a load it will drop. Yeah, I go to 12 volts, 15.2. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.